Hi guys, so today's video is about lenskart. The thing with lenskart is they provide you with wide variety of options and they also give you free frame for the first purchase. So here we are going to see buy one get one offer, that both glasses are power glass but one will be polarized. So we have a bill inside it. Lenskart provide you with 14 days replacement and also return option, but only if there is any damage within the frame. So it has the barcode, model number and the code number as well as your address. Let's put this back inside. So here we have two cases. One contains the normal glass, another contains the sunglasses, which is of Wayfarer style. So we shall see the normal glass. Note that both the glasses are power glass, based on the power of your eye. The one more benefit of the normal glass is, it's actually clip-on model. Clip-on model in the sense, you can also use it as a sunglasses. It will be an outer frame which you can just clip onto the inner frame. Okay, now let's check out the frame. So the frame quality is good, and here if you see, the polarized glass is of dark green color. And this will be clipped onto the frame, and the side frame is of golden layer with a good professional look. So if you see here, you can see the clip-on model. So at the center part there will be a small clip which you can just insert on the inner frame, and at this end there will be two magnets which attach the outer frame into the inner frame. I'm going to remove the clip. Just pull it upwards, so the frame is separate. You can just add on to the inner frame. Now the inner frame will look like this. So you know what I mean. You can use this for school, college or any offices, or wherever you don't need the sunglasses. So it's actually fiber material, and here is the magnet. You can see there, right? A small magnet which attaches the outer frame, and the brand is actually Vincent. Vincent provides you with wide variety of options in frame quality as well as designs. Now let us keep the frame inside it. So just keep the frame gently by pressing upwards. Now it's ready. Different color options which you can choose as per your wish. I have chosen green color. And the nosebud is also good. Okay, time to move on to the sunglasses. This is also of the same brand Vincent. So here's the logo of it, and they have provided with a good pouch. I bought this in a Wayfarer style. So here it is. Please note that both the glasses are power glass based on your eye power. They also provide you with a good cloth with a smooth finish. So I bought this with a dark brown shade of a Wayfarer style. There are a lot of Wayfarer styles in lenskart. You can either check it in showroom or you can just go to the website. I'll mention the link in the description. So the outer frame is of ash colored with a good texture finish, and the front layer will be of black shade like a matte finish. The quality of the lenskart will always be good, but in one or two frames there might be defects. You can either replace it or return it. The shades have a good reflective properties. And you can also see the glass reinforced fiber at the end of the shades. And the nosebud is also small and it's comfortable. There are a lot more sizes of the frame, small, medium and large. So based on the size of a shape you can choose one. So here are the two frames. One will be sunglasses and other will be normal. But in the normal I have chosen a clip-on model. You can either go for another offers also. Both will be power glasses. Thanks for watching, guys.